Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat Remix not working. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, get to the target snap that you would like to remix. Open the snap and tap on the three dots icon. You can see that the remix snap feature is being displayed. You can tap on it and remix the image. However, if you can't see this feature, then you will need to get an older version of the Snapchat app. As you can see, I'm in the Play Store and my Snapchat app is not updated. If I update it, the remix feature will be removed. So just get to any preferred browser, search for Snapchat old version, and download it from any one of the websites. Then install it and you will get the remix feature again. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat Remix not working. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.